Hi, I'm Stephanie Prescott with Remax Capital Properties, and I get the joy today of being here at Remax headquarters with my friend Syd, and he's training us on more momentum for Remax.
It has been an amazing day so far. We've got one more to go, but we are here in the Remax studio and just wanted to ask Stephanie a couple questions. You know, you've been with the network for a while, but really, why do you choose Remax? Why, out of everything out there, are you guys finding your home here?
Remax for us is the right fit. It's the right fit for us with your training. It's the right fit for us for your technology. And it's just the right fit for our culture. Hard workers, motivated people who really want to make a difference.
Couldn't agree more. Preaching to the choir, absolutely. So as you guys look to the future from learning today, is there anything you would want to tell your adoring fans out there to look forward to?
We just thank you. We look forward to being a giving and creative piece of the community and continuing to help our agents grow in their business and our customers find the right fit with their homes.
Great stuff. So thank you guys for all that you do. Thank you to Cheyenne. We'll see you guys around.
Thank you.